Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to change Hauser pen refills uh, which is rarely available in market. For this particular type of click pens, the pen comes with this kind of refill, and in Unimax and in cello this refill is numbered as LP3000 and LP5000 and LP8000. Such refills are also there, and LP5000 the length is somewhat bigger, and a small clip portion will come in this side, and in LP8000 the diameter of the bottom part is more, and even the top part is slightly more than this diameter. So we cannot directly insert the refills in this pen, but what we can do, we can use commonly available jotter refills for this pen. And it depends. For this particular type of model, the refill front portion is not entering into the tip area, so it is difficult to, this much only it is coming out. So you can see only 3 mm is only is popping out. So most of the cases we can use directly a jotter refill, and we need to check with the design of the pen. As of now I don't have more pens with me, and this is one cello pen. This is in this pen you can see LP3000 refill is there, and this is Hauser company refill, and this is LP3000 refill. Both are very similar. And for this pen, let us check whether jotter is setting. Yeah, even in this pen also, just a minute, even in this pen the jotter is not going, but in many of the pens directly the jotter refill will go inside. And let me try to change the refill of this particular pen, and let us see the cello pen later. This is called cello Swiss, and this is a very fast moving pen, and it writes very well also. And let us work on this. Let me take a bitco refill, and normally this is available for ₹5 in our site, and depending on the quality, various companies are making such types of refills for even for ₹2 also. And we need to study the refill, and let us say in this LP3000 refill the spring sits here. Just I am matching the tips, and the spring is sitting here in this area, but in this refill spring is little bit down. So considering that in mind, I am just excessively cutting the length. I am using a small knife. Be careful in using such sharp tools. It may harm your fingers. Yeah, I have cut the portion. So let me try to fix in the pen. Oh, where is this pen? Yeah. And slightly adjust the spring, make some elongation, and ensure it is going freely inside the tip. Now here we go. The tip is working fine. So the tip is working fine. So please ensure to cut the length exactly to this required size. Depending upon the spring holding area, this area, the length may be different. If you see the original length, the total length of refill is more for up to 6 to 7 mm because of the spring touching area. So though this length is more in this particular type of refill, this is suiting for the pen. So like this we can change the refill of any click type pens, and please ensure, just a minute, there is some problem. it is better to have some problems because we can find solutions. A good elongation should be there in the spring, and please ensure the refill is not stucking while doing like this, and then insert inside the pen. Yes. Now the pen is off. In that condition, just write on the in your hand or in paper, the refill should not procure, or else it will damage your shirt or wherever you keep. Hope this will help you whenever your refills life is gone. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any queries, you can leave in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.